This unit is about financial literacy and how to calculate discount off a number, and how to calculate how much a percent is of a number and remove it. The simple way to calculate the discount from percent is to say we have 30%. So in order to calculate, we have to convert this percent into a decimal. So it's going to be 0.30. To convert our percentage into a decimal, we need to divide it by 100. So 30 divided by 100 is 0.30. So now that we have the decimal, the next thing we're going to have to do is we're going to multiply it by the numbers. So say it's practice question will be 30% off of $10. So now we're gonna convert this. Is gonna be 0.30 multiplied by 10. So now that we know this, we can calculate how much 30% of 10 is. So it's gonna be $33. So the answer will be 3. That's just a simple way to calculate the percentage of something and how much it was. Okay, now we're gonna get into some practice questions to help us further understand this topic. So first thing to look at is off. Off equals times. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this into a decimal. So it's gonna be 25%. It's gonna equals 0.25 off a CD at 22.9, which is gonna be 25 multiplied by 22.95, which is gonna equal 5.74. So since now we're calculating a discount of something, so we're gonna take the original price and we're gonna minus the discount off of it. So it's gonna be 22.95 minus 5.74, which is gonna equal 17.21. So we converted it into a decimal, then we multiplied it, because of means multiply, means times. So we multiplied it, which gave us the number of how much 25% of 22.95 is 5.74. So since this we're calculating discount, we have to minus we're gonna take original price and remove the discount off of it, which is gonna give us the final number of 17.21. The next practice question we're gonna do is 40% off a shirt at $49.50. So as we said in the first question, off equals times. So now we have the indication that we're gonna be multiplying 40%, 4.40 by $49.50. So first we're gonna convert this into a decimal, which is gonna divide it by 100, which is gonna be equals 0.40, and then now that we know it's off, it's times, so it's gonna be 440 multiplied by 49.50. So now that we have this, what's 0.40 multiplied by 49.50 is gonna give us 19.8. So now that we have that, now that's the discount number. 40% of 49.50 is 19.8. So now that we have the discount number, we're gonna just subtract it. So we're gonna take 49.50 minus 19.8, which is gonna give us 29.7. So first we converted this into a decimal, and then since you know it's off, we times it, which gave us 19.8, which is the percentage of number of that. So now that we know that it's discount, so we're gonna have to we subtracted 40.5, we subtracted 19.8 from the original price, and gave us 29.7, which is gonna be the new price after discount. Okay. 30% off a pair of shoes at 29.95. Off is the indication of times, and 29.5 is the original price. So we're gonna be doing discount, so we're gonna have to find the percentage of 30% of 29.5, and then once we find how much 30% is, we're gonna minus it. So we're gonna convert this into a decimal, it's gonna be 0.30, and then off is times, so 29.95. So what 0.30 multiplied by 29.95 will give us 8.99. Okay, and now that we have this, and with discount, so we're gonna bring it down, it's gonna be 29.94. minus 8.99, which is going to give us 20.96. So now that we know that the price after the discount is 20.96, the original price was 29.95, but after we calculated how much 3% of it was and we minused it, and we got the new price after the discount. So the price would be 20.496. Oh, the next question is 35% off a television at 389.45. So first we're gonna do, what we want to do in this question is we're gonna calculate how much 35% of 389.45 is, and once we calculate that percent number, we're gonna minus it from the original price, and we're gonna get the discount price, because what we're searching for is the discount, because off is discount and off also means times, and so basically we're trying to find the discount price. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna be 35. We're gonna transfer this into a decimal. We're gonna divide it by 100, which is gonna be 0.35 multiplied by 389.45, which is gonna give us 136.31. So now that we know that the discount is 136.31, we're gonna bring it down. We're gonna be 389.45 minus 136.31, which is gonna give us 253.14, that's the final price. That's the price after discount. Now we're going to explain some other concepts of financial literacy, which are including the same type of equations, which is adding the percentage and turning them into decimals and multiplying, but they're different because instead of minusing, some of them will be adding. Like discount, we've been doing discount, off is discount, so in discount we always minus the percent number, but in markup it's add, and in tax we're adding numbers, and in interest we're adding to the principal money. So in markup we're just gonna, instead of minusing the percentage number, we're gonna be adding it to the original price. And in discount, as you've been doing, we're just gonna subtract it from original price. And tax is also as markup, where it's gonna be adding it to original price. Interest, however, is adding to principal money. So these are basically the concepts, and just they're not much different than the others. They just have different subtopics. Okay. In interest, you're adding to principal money. But what is principal money? Principal is the money that you're originally agreed to pay back. Interest is the cost of borrowing the principal.